Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. So we have sy, sy and so on in here. They are in the degrees number 2 because s multiplied by s, that's why we have 1 plus 1. Similar, s multiplied by s and y, you got about number 2 in here. So they are homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. So I will put this one going here, and here, and here. This one we change by this one. Next, we simplify s for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we divide both sides by this one. Next, negative with 1 minus v, we change by v minus 1. Next, we need to expand this one in here. Next, for v minus v, we have 3v. Next, I will put v go to the right. Next, we do common denominator. This one we have 5v minus v squared. Now we need to change the sign of this one. So 3v minus 5v, we have negative 2v. v squared and v squared, we have 2. Now, number 2, number 4, number 2, we can do about factorization. I need to arrange like this. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. Now we need to do about factorization in here. So this one I will put about negative 2v plus v. We can do about factorization by negative number 2. this one by v. So v plus 1, v plus 1, we can do another factorization. Next, we do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over v plus 1, capital B over v minus 2. And now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about v minus 2. About this one, it is missing about v plus 1. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of v. About v, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have negative 2a plus b, because negative number 2 with a, b with number 1. Now, we need to compare coefficients. We have negative v, that is about negative number 1. Negative number 1 equals to a plus b, and the numbers number 5 equal to negative 2a plus b. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to negative number 2, b equals to number 1. So we put a and b cone here. And now we have the final answer. Now we go back in here. The interaction of this one, that is about this one. The interaction of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.